Sandwich. Sandwich. Sandwich ba to? Sandwich, no? Hotdog sandwich. Ayan. Ayan po mga vlog yan, no? Ito mo guys. And this is Korean bomb. Then, Enoki fries and explosion. Interesting to Turkish, Then your blast. Then the other one is, ayan, tingnan nyo po, Turkish explosion din. So like the on the top then, and then the Korean bomb. And then this one is ayan, then Japanese overload. And then itong sandwiches. Pagkakaiba na siya ang price. Come again? 120. All the sandwiches. Any. Okay. Ayan, like 120 and then yung Enoki price. There. Enoki price. So, ayun. 99 and 120. Okay, let's go. Let's try na natin yun.